Hey there, I'm asked a lot about how an untreated tongue tie can be related to jaw issues. So I'm not totally going to get into the jaw issue thing, but what I wanted to talk about in this video is a repetitive strain injury of the jaw. When somebody has a tongue tie, the jaw is often unable to separate or disassociate from the tongue. So the tongue does something, the jaw does something. A great example that I have my clients demonstrate for me when I do their exam is, can they say la 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 la? Or like when I look at clicking, when somebody has an untreated tongue tie, they're very often using the jaw joint to help the tongue out. So I can say la 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 la, but somebody else is going to be saying la 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 la. So this again becomes your repetitive strain injury. This is your golfer's elbow, your tennis elbow, whatever. The same thing with clicking. When I teach clicking with clients, no chin, okay? And a lot of them. So if your mouth moves like a ventriloquist when you're doing certain things, I wouldn't be surprised if you do have some jaw concerns.